We're back over Derby's Darley Abbey Mills, part of the Derwent Valley World Heritage Site. We were last here in January 2021 with the Mavic Mini, and I'll link to that video in the description. Early in 2022, without any warning, the road bridge here was declared unsafe and completely closed. Arguably this was a good thing as far as road traffic was concerned, as it could quite fairly be described as a rat run. It was considerably less convenient though to the people of Darley Abbey and the workers at the mills. With remarkable efficiency, it has to be said, Derby City Council arranged for a footbridge to be installed on top of the existing bridge, its weight presumably borne by the sound piers rather than the weakened bridge itself, of course. It's been open for several months now and, as can be seen, is well used. All credit to Derby City Council. I won't interrupt your viewing any further with waffle from me. Safe to say, I'm sure that the wedding party that you'll see posing for photographs at the mills with the weir in the background were totally unaware of the Mini 3's presence 50 metres above them. Enjoy!